Alright, we're going to continue looking at transformations on our quadratic. Earlier we saw that a, the number in front of the x squared, would either stretch our graph vertically or compress our graph vertically. Now what we're going to do is look at the value of b and find out what does b do to our parent function. So the first thing we're going to start with is our parent function. And I've got that graphed already. Remember, our parent function is y equals x squared. And that's the black graph that you see over here. That is our parent function. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a value to that x squared. So if you look at this first one here, y equals x squared plus 3. All I've done is add 3 to the x squared. And we're going to take a look at what exactly did that plus 3 do to our parent function. So as you can see from my graph over here, that's this red one. This is the graph of y equals x squared plus 3. So all we've done is taken our parent function and move the graph up 3 units. So if I start here at the origin, I have moved up 1, 2, 3 units. That's all the 3 did. Move the graph up 3 units. Now if you look at this other one here, y equals x squared plus 5. Again, if I compare that with my parent function, starting at the origin, notice this time what I've done is I've moved up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So the plus 5, all it does is move it up 5 units. So if I were to give the equation y equals x squared plus 8, as you would imagine, this time what we would do is take our parent function and move it up 8 units from the origin. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I end up with a graph that looks something like this right here. So once again, all that the plus 3 and plus 5 are doing to my parent function is moving it up 3 units and moving it up 5 units. Alright, let's continue looking at the value of b. As you saw earlier, when we add a number, what we do is move the graph up that many units. This time we've got some examples where we're subtracting from the x squared. So once again, I've got my parent function graph. That's the black graph. As you can see, the new function I'm working with here is y equals x squared minus 3. So this red graph that you see here is the graph of y equals x squared minus 3. And notice what we've done is this time what we've done is taken the parent function and shifted it down 3 units. So again, if I start at the origin, notice how this graph has gone down 1, 2, 3 units. That's what the minus 3 is doing. It's shifting the graph down 3 units. Same is true for this function here, y equals x squared minus 5. All we've done is taken the parent function and moved it down from the origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So the minus 5 moves the graph down 5 units.